I don't look at acting as a game. It has to be something which is very heartfelt and something that has to be very real. Although it's called acting, if you act while you're acting, then you're going to get caught out. You have to be genuine about it.
I don't think I delayed my entry, actually. There's no, I never had any game plan in mind, pun intended totally, that I would enter at this point or that point. When a great script comes your way, the script selects you more than anything else. So I think that's exactly what happened.
It's a great time for the film to release. There's a lot of excitement about the film as well. There's a lot of buzz about it. Absolutely, of course, there will be a lot of people who want to see India winning the World Cup. I want to see it. Everybody wants to see it. You know, so that is going to happen. But I don't think it will make such a big difference in the larger scheme of things.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि लोगों ने इस सॉन्ग को इतनी अच्छी तरह से एक्सेप्ट की है. और मुझे पहले से ही पता था, जब मैं मैकी मैकी जब मैं सुनी, मुझे पता था कि ये स्लाइटली ओल्ड फैशन गाना है, तो हर एक एज ग्रुप को पसंद आएगा. लेकिन मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि even the youngsters, college going crowd will like it so much, you know, but they are, and I'm very happy.
My two opponents were very good. And I'm just happy that I won. मेरे जो भांजे हैं अगस्त्य, वो खेलते हैं मेरे साथ, and he wins every time. India won. And I said this the last time I was with you all. मैंने कहा था कि not only are we going to win the semi-finals, come 2nd of April, Wankhede में, in the house that Sachin built, they're going to come here and we're going to come away with the cup. घर पे बैठ के जब मैं मैच देख रहा था, मुझे लगा कि अगर हम लोग फाइनल्स पहुंच जाए, तो ये अभी जगह जो पोजीशन है मेरी, जो 6 घंटे के लिए मैं कुछ ऐसे बैठा था, तो मुझे लगा कि ये शायद हमारे लिए लकी है. So I'm going to stay in that position.
I was changing the channel every now and then to find game promos.
Excuse me, I don't know where to start about these superstitions because there are so many. A glass of water has to be kept at exactly that corner of the table for the whole match. Anybody who goes to the kitchen to get something and a wicket falls, they cannot come back into the room. They have to stay there only.
तो कुछ दोस्त थे, परिवार साथ में थी, डैड नहीं थे, वो उन्होंने नहीं देखा, वो अपने कमरे में बैठे हुए थे चुपचाप. Because he said the minute I put the television, come in front of the television, somebody got out. तो फिर से जल्दी अंदर चले गए, and he didn't watch the match. I think I was wearing my India jersey, which I'm very proud of, so I'll be wearing that, and I'll probably be sitting in the same place where I was sitting. That position might be a bit tough to get into again, because I couldn't walk for about 2-3 hours after that. But I think every Indian becomes superstitious when it comes to cricket. And look, boss, we only want India to win. That's it. जो भी करना हो उसके लिए हम लोग करने के लिए तैयार हैं. बस जीत के आ जाओ भैया, बस.
Every time India hit a 4, unfortunately there were no 6s that we hit. But every time we hit a 4 and every time we took a wicket, everybody in the room had to say, "Sweetie, sweetie, sweetie, beauty, beauty, beauty." Right? See? So, and it worked perfectly well. India won, but before that, we should have a moment of silence for Pakistan's early exit.
I heard somebody say yesterday, आज सुबह हम लोग बात कर रहे थे, that अरे Sachin got very lucky. Sachin doesn't get lucky. Sachin just gets blessed. It's as simple as that. This is my prediction. This is what all of India wants. We want Sachin to come home to his homeland, to his stadium, and take the cup away. You know, I noticed this in the Australia match also. There wasn't just one turning point. I think for the first time I saw Team India play as a team against Australia and yesterday against Pakistan. I really felt very good for Ashish Nehra yesterday. He proved that we have no right, we have absolutely no right to make fun of him. He's a wonderful bowler. He's one of our best bowlers, and he proved it yesterday of his quality.
This time we are planning on using Kohal ki kuhu kuhu, papihe ki pihu pihu. That's the plan for the final. So just so that you all know. So whenever a 4 is hit or a 6 is hit by India, everyone wherever you all are have to say Koyal ki kuhu kuhu, papihe ki pihu pihu.
It's not a joke. Game is releasing tomorrow.
I'll tell you tomorrow.
But the film is releasing tomorrow. It's not a joke. That is for sure. Game is releasing tomorrow.